a lot of I don't know who wants recall on Linux, but there's a project out there, not necessarily that it's the way to do it, but if you wanted to have recall on Linux, there is a way to do it, apparently. I won't do it myself, but it has all the features everyone hates. Stores your data in an easily accessible database, 24/7 screen captures, image to text conversion, index and store everything your friends tell you over chat apps or email. If it's on your screen, we've got you covered. So the roadmap is here. We add encryption so that you know, everybody else can decrypt it other than you. We add AI, we add more money. We add webcam pictures so that people can capture very spicy moments. We add the facial recognition so that people can tag you automatically in your shameful moments. We've got even more AI. We've got the audio on all the time. Foresight so that we can, predict what you're going to do before you do it. We're going to have even more AI. Automatic uploading of data to the cloud, because who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want to automatically have everything uploaded without their consent? Going to train LLMs on that data because you're posting it on the internet anyway, so we may as well use it for something and not pay you for it. And then we can also automatically add biometric data to your profile picture so that you can use your face to unlock the phone without you adding anything to it and saying you want to do that. And then requiring you to thumbprint everything in order to log in. So, of course, that's what should be done. Let's see. This does not capture webcam and mic data. So if we go here, no description necessary. Can Howdy be forced to set up and be used to escalate privileges against users' wishes? Probably. So if we go here, Howdy provides Windows Hello style authentication for Linux. Use your built-in IR emitters and camera in combination with facial recognition to prove who you are. Using PAM, this works everywhere you would otherwise need your password, login, lock screen, sudo, su, etc. Is currently available in package for Debian, Arch, Fedora, and OpenSUSE. If you're interested in packaging Howdy for your distro, don't hesitate to open an issue. So yeah, you can escalate with that as well, so that you can log in with everything with this cool Windows recall package. We've also got, okay, yeah, that's the same issue. I want something different. So automatically set biometric data, generate artistic profile pictures from fingerprint patterns, which sounds really cool. We create a real-time animated profile picture using heartbeat rhythm, an option to use DNA sequence visualization as background, which is very, very cool. That depends on 24 and 27. Let's see. We need support for fprint for this one. And for privacy reasons, this should be mandatory. This should be linked to the mandatory Microsoft account as well. Can't sign in with Microsoft account? Or Microsoft, I mean. So Billy G can see all my screenshots through OneDrive, which is very important. It is possible to create local-only accounts using a hidden secret command called user add. Might be able to write a PAM module to enforce cloud-only online Microsoft accounts. Someone's already done the initial draft. And then, look, okay, but unsure if that R will work as intended. We may require some assistance from Valve for proper implementation. This says high priority because user may miss critical setup screens and how their system is configured. This depends on issue 10. So, unfortunately, there are a lot of hurdles in the way. Let's go back and look at 27. Should be mandatory and should be combined with the webcam data. Yep, as it should be. Let's see. Oh wait, we just looked at that one. And then 35, the software does not require submission of biometrics. Here's what should be done. Support F-print for fingerprints, record all fingerprints, handprints, feet prints, toe prints, and paw prints. Required DNA sample to set up, new fingerprint scans on every use, new DNA sample on every use, face scan on every use, iris scan to set up, iris scan every use, WhoFi to set up and every use, collect all these biometrics all the time, send all biometrics to central server for safekeeping, require biometrics for non-house citizens. To enter the house for security, require heartbeat sensor to be attached at all times, require biometric sensors to always be attached. I may be willing to test all of these. Volunteer testers wanted. Despite this being part of the roadmap on the README, this is not tagged with roadmap. This is very true. It is very important. Very, very important that we get all this in there. So if we go to our security.md, table of which versions will receive security updates, any version. Very important. To report an issue, simply use echo, describe the issue here, to dev null, and a POSIX terminal, which is the perfect way to send in bug reports and issues and things like that. So let's see, the important messages, setup steps. We're gonna skip over that for a moment. Journal contributor has developed specifications, source code implementation of certain technology. Man, this is the coolest license ever. I wonder where they copied this from. Darn. Anyway, let's look at this. Very secure folder. .recall. mkdir very secure folder. Let's see. And output, send the output to dev null. How often to spy 5, screenshot count 0, important message frequency 900. So we've got all this stuff, all the very important messages, and then the steps for setup. Recall for Linux is setting up on your system. Please do not turn off your computer. This might take several minutes. Initializing AI-powered surveillance matrix, training neural networks on your browser history, establishing secure connection, uploading initial metadata, almost ready. It will all be over soon. Here's our spinner phases. Micro shaft recall for Linux, powered by AI, bringing the magic of wing blows to FOSS. Setup complete recall for Linux is now active. So what it does, let's see, for step and steps, setup steps, echo, end step duration, a random duration, end in so many seconds, while, and for spinner, loop the spinner over that time, and then green check mark. Okay. Setup complete recall Linux is now active. Important messages. So it sends notifications. Compliance notice, ad frequency too low, limiting or disabling ads is not permitted. Adjust ad frequency to compliant level. Important message frequency 900. So that's 900 milliseconds. Recall for Linux is now active. Do not close this program. Let's see. What does it do? Okay. Very important stuff, yes. Recall for blah. Wayland displays screenshot command Grim. Detect Wayland using Grim for screenshots. Screenshot command MAME. Detected X11 using MAME for screenshots. Screenshot command T every very secure folder, PNG, Tesseract, standard in, out, blah, blah, blah. So that saves a screenshot to its place. Screenshot count goes up. Show how often to spy. Sleep on how often to spy on 5. Okay. So expire time 10,000 app name recall for Linux important message. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to double check this. Because I said I wasn't going to do it, but you know what? I decided I think I want to see what's up. Okay. So now we know what we're pulling. Very cool, very cool. It will all be over soon. Oh my goodness, BitLocker has encrypted your files. Remember to keep. That doesn't tell me anything. Darn. This is very cool. I like this. I love receiving so many notifications about everything that I'm doing. Anyway, as you can tell, it's a very, very important program. So as we go, so we can see our logs are empty. So if I open that one, oh, darn it. Well, I mean, it's halfway working, but anyway. Do I have Grim installed? Let me double check. My computer's hating me right now. Yeah, it's installed. I don't know. It's being weird. Anyway, well, there's your Microsoft recall. Anyway, depending on what you have, it could be even more interesting. Yeah, this is gonna suck, but if you liked the content, if you enjoyed it, if you think I deserve it, like, comment, subscribe, leave any criticisms you have or what have you. I appreciate it. Feed that algorithm, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one.